let's quickly solve all TikTok Live Studio issues using this new tool that I've built for all PC or Mac users. Now I have built a specific plugin that uses my years of TikTok Live Studio experience. And to begin, all you need for this is a free ChatGPT account. So if you don't have one yet, just head to chatgpt.com and click on sign up for free in the top right corner. And once you've got your account, head to chatgpt.com/download, also in the description. Because while this tool will just work on the ChatGPT website, it will work far better on the desktop app because it can scan your computer. So obviously there is a Windows and Mac version, so just go ahead and download the relevant one. And before we install my custom tool, let's check a few of the settings. So of course, firstly, just log in if it prompts you to log in. And in the top left corner, you can see they've got the toggle sidebar option. So just make sure that is toggled on. And just beneath it, you might see the word Codex or ChatGPT. Click on the drop down and make sure it's turned onto Codex mode. And although most of ChatGPT's default settings are fine, we do want to enable one setting. Now the settings have been moved to the bottom left corner where I'll click on my name and click on settings. The key one I'm looking for is underneath integrations, computer use, and I want to toggle any app on. And of course, this allows it to inspect our live studio. Of course, you can then optionally play around with all the other settings on the left, but the defaults should be fine. So I'm just going to click back to app, and there's one more key thing we have to do before we chat with it, which is install the plugin by clicking plugins on the left. And then of course just search for the name of it, which is LS Doctor, and I've already got it installed, but there should just be an install button. If not, you might have to click on it and then click install. And once it's installed, there is two ways to chat with it. Firstly, you can just click new chat in the top left corner. Just type @ls on your keyboard, click on LS Doctor, and then type your message. I'll give a few more specific tips for your message in a second. Or the second way to activate it is click on plugins on the left. You'll see underneath installed, you'll have the LS Doctor logo. So just click on that and click try now. If you do that, it's pre-filled a message, so unless that message is correct for you, just replace it with your own. So now let's just go over my tips for getting better answers. So firstly, when you're typing your message, obviously you should provide it with the maximum detail that you have available to try and solve your problem. So for example, if you're having microphone issues, just explain to it what you think the issue is and the steps you've tried already. Next up, if you can provide it with video recordings or screenshots. For example, just search snipping tool on Windows, click on take a screenshot, and it will open the preview and you can just take a random screenshot and then press Ctrl V and you can see the screenshot is now pasted into the chat. Of course, Screenshot Live Studio and not Codex. And although this will work without Live Studio open, it is better to have Live Studio open in the background. And just before you send your message, you might have some thinking options available in the bottom right corner. Not everyone will have this. It depends whether you're using a free or a paid tier. But I have found even the lowest thinking option works fine. But if you do want to get more intelligence, I would keep it on high as a maximum. Anything else is overkill. Anyway, don't worry about that too much. Just send your message. Let's look at some examples from before. So again, this one's on the lowest intelligence, and I just asked it to inspect my current audio for potential issues, and it's found a potential issue with my microphone being at 0%. And it just walks me through the steps, including the next test or change that I should make. Here's another example where I had it on a slightly higher intelligence, so it worked a bit longer, but I just asked it for the recommended quality settings. And it's gone ahead and given me them, including referencing different TikTok guidelines to help. And again, if I wanted to follow up, I would just tag LS Doctor again and type my follow-up question. Just keep talking to it as if it's a human being until it resolves your issue. Now, as a last resort, if your issue still isn't resolved, there is an unofficial TikTok Live Studio Discord server. It does have real TikTok staff in it, so I'll put that link on screen and in the description. If you have any feedback on the plugin, I would love to hear it. As usual, thank you to the channel members and the patrons for your ongoing support. And if you just want to dump Live Studio completely and use a stream key for Meld, OBS or Streamlabs, you can watch this video or check the link in my bio.